So what are the current challenges that we are facing with regards to modern technology, and how do you think we will be able to overcome them? So one of the challenges with modern technology is the spread of misinformation, or what we call fake news, which is often intentionally misleading. The advent of social media and the internet has made it easier for false information to reach a global audience quickly, leading to misinformed public opinions, increased confusions, and unethical interference in elections and public health initiatives. To prevent these issues, we need to enhance digital literacy and critical thinking skills. We need to improve how social media algorithms detect and prevent the spread of misinformation, and enforce the government regulations and independent certification to identify and mitigate harmful contents. So another challenge is the technology addiction, which can negatively impact mental health, lead to behavioral changes, insomnia, and other issues as well. So by promoting digital well-being practices, setting healthy screen time limits, and encouraging self-discipline can help mitigate these effects. Cybersecurity threats are also a growing concern, as a greater dependence on digital systems make us more vulnerable to cyber attacks. So by strengthening security measures, educating users, and developing better encryption methods are key to strategies to address this challenge. Finally, data privacy is a significant issue, as personal information is often collected, shared, and used without individuals' knowledge or consent. So by enforcing stricter privacy protection, law and regulations regarding data collection and processing can help prevent the individuals from misuse or exploitation of their information.